Your gut controls your digestion, your immunity, your mood, and even your brain. But most people damage their gut every single day, without realizing it. Today you will discover the top natural foods that heal your gut, boost good bacteria, and improve digestion naturally. Stay till the end, because the last food is very common. Yet most people eat it the wrong way. Hello everyone. Welcome to Nature Food Facts. Many people suffer from bloating, acidity, constipation, low energy, skin problems, and weak immunity. But the real problem is not the stomach. It is the gut. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria. These bacteria decide how well you digest food, how strong your immunity is, and how healthy your body feels. In this video, we will explore natural foods that repair the gut lining, balance gut bacteria, and support digestion without medicines or supplements. Fermented foods. The foundation of gut health is fermented food. Fermented foods contain probiotics. These are live beneficial bacteria that restore balance inside the gut. Examples include homemade curd, buttermilk, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and naturally fermented pickles. Regular consumption of fermented foods reduces bloating, improves digestion, and strengthens immunity. But be careful. Flavored or packaged yogurt contains sugar and preservatives. These damage gut bacteria. Always choose plain, unsweetened, or homemade fermented foods. Good bacteria need food to survive. Their food is called fiber. Fiber feeds beneficial bacteria and helps them multiply. Best natural fiber sources include brown rice, whole wheat, lentils, beans, vegetables like carrot and broccoli, and fruits like apple and berries. Fiber also helps remove toxins and improves bowel movement. Low fiber diets are linked to constipation, poor immunity, and gut inflammation. Increase fiber slowly. Drink enough water. This prevents gas and discomfort. Banana. Banana is one of the simplest, gut-friendly foods. Contains prebiotics. These help good bacteria grow. Slightly raw or just ripe bananas are best for digestion. The best time to eat banana is in the morning or between meals. Avoid overripe bananas if you suffer from acidity or bloating. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables act like a natural cleanser for the digestive system. Spinach, kale, cabbage, and lettuce are rich in fiber and antioxidants. They reduce gut inflammation and support smooth digestion. If you have a sensitive stomach, lightly cooked greens are better than raw salads. Garlic. Garlic is a powerful gut healer. It works as a natural prebiotic. It feeds good bacteria and fights harmful microbes. Garlic also supports immunity and reduces gut infections. The best way to consume garlic is lightly cooked or crushed and added to food. If you suffer from acidity, start with very small amounts. Gut healing fruits. Certain fruits help heal the gut lining naturally. Papaya improves digestion because it contains natural enzymes. Apple contains pectin fiber, which supports bowel movement. Pomegranate reduces inflammation. Berries protect gut cells with antioxidants. Amla supports digestion and immunity. Avoid packaged fruit juices. Eat whole fruits instead. Nuts and seeds. Healthy fats are essential for gut repair. Flax seeds, chia seeds, almonds, and walnuts reduce gut inflammation. They also support smooth digestion. Soaking nuts and seeds overnight make them easier to digest. Herbal drinks. Natural drinks can calm the gut. Ginger tea reduces gas and nausea. Fennel seed water supports digestion. Cumin water improves gut movement. Green tea supports gut health when taken in moderation. Foods that damage gut health. No gut-healing food will work if these are consumed daily. Refined sugar, packaged foods, fried foods, artificial sweeteners, and excess alcohol. These destroy good bacteria and increase inflammation. Final gut health habits. Eat slowly. Chew your food properly. Drink enough water. Sleep well. Reduce stress. Your gut responds more to your lifestyle than to medicines. If you found this video helpful, like and share it. Subscribe to Nature Food Facts for more natural health knowledge. Your body has the power to heal when you support it naturally. Thanks for watching. See you soon.